On a very gray morning, I saw some birds. They were distant, they were hard to get pictures of, they're lousy pictures. But I get the feeling all of them are woodpeckers. I'm just not sure what kind. Anyways, there were at least 4 different ones, and the only one that I can really identify is the last one. Not sure what to tell you about this one. It's the best picture I could get of it. Like the last one, the long bill tells me it's probably a woodpecker, but I got no idea. This one, I can tell you, is a red-bellied woodpecker, but that's the only one that I've actually been able to figure out at all.